Welcome to the overview of the third chapter of the book, Love of Alpha and Omega. High on Mount Sinai, Moses hears the voice of God. The mountain glows with heavenly light as God gives him the 10 Commandments. These stone tablets hold rules that will guide his people forever, a special gift of love and wisdom from God himself. God's first 4 commandments teach us how to love him, worship only him, respect his name, and rest on his holy day. God wants our hearts, our love, and our trust, not just our actions. The next 6 commandments teach us how to love people. Honor your parents, don't hurt others, don't take what isn't yours, and be truthful. God wants us to live in peace and kindness, caring for one another every day. In this third chapter, 10 Commandments from the book Love of Alpha and Omega, we see a psalmist who fell deeply in love with God's law. Yet I wonder, how can anyone truly fall in love with words that discipline us more than they comfort us? As we explore further, let us seek to understand the intent behind God's 10 Commandments. Stay tuned for this chapter, where we will uncover their deeper meaning and discover how they guide us in love, life, and our relationship with God.